Hello friends, in today's video we're going to see how to understand the notification status in WhatsApp messages. I've got the message window of a friend open now. I've sent her 3 messages one after the other. As you can see, there is a status notification in the form of a tick mark against each of this message. The first one is a blue colored double tick mark, and then you can see the gray colored double tick mark, and then you can see the single tick mark which is gray in color. Let's understand what each of these notifications mean. A blue colored double tick mark means the message has been delivered to my friend and she has read the message also. To know more, long press the message till a gray bar appears. And then you can see the menu options on the top. There you choose a letter that looks like I. Then you get to know what time the message was delivered and read by my friend. The message was delivered exactly 3 minutes ago and she had read it immediately. I wonder why she has not replied. That's a point for another discussion. And then let's look at the second message. It's got a gray colored double tick mark. It means the message has been delivered, but she has not read it. Now do a long press of the second message till the gray bar appears. Again, click the eye icon that you see on the top and you get to know that the message was delivered 3 minutes back, but it's not read by her yet. Similarly, long press the third message. You get to know whether this message was delivered or not. It's not delivered, it's not read. So a single tick mark means the message has left our WhatsApp message box, but it has not been delivered to your recipient. A double tick mark in gray color means the message has been delivered to your recipient, but the recipient has still not seen the message. A blue colored double tick mark means the message has been delivered and it has also been read by the recipient. We also know how to check the time at which the friend has checked the message. That is also something we have seen. Now, if you look at the top, under the name of the friend, you can see a message saying last seen today at 11:06. What this means is this person has used WhatsApp at about 11:06 and after that she has not used. Let's wait and see what happens when she comes online and reads the message. After a few minutes, she actually comes online. As you can see, the status under her name changes to online. Let's see if the status of the messages also change. Now the third message is delivered because you can see a gray color double tick mark, and both second and third messages are also red now because the notification has turned blue. So which means all the 3 messages have been delivered and read. The only thing we don't know is whether there will be a reply from her end. That's not the purpose of this video. Hope you understood how to read the message notifications in WhatsApp. If there are any questions or doubts, please leave the same in the comment box below. Oh, I've got a reply also. That's for me to read it in private. Many thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.